Snakes are known for their dangerous beauty. But inside this factory, their skin becomes one of the most luxurious leathers in the world. Today, we take you inside a real snake leather factory to see the entire process from raw snake skin to premium luxury products.
The process starts as raw snake skins arrive from certified farms. Each skin is extremely delicate and must be handled with care. Workers spread the skins on inspection tables to check the pattern and quality.
Snake leather requires gentle cleaning. Industrial washers remove dirt, oils, and impurities while protecting the thin scale layers. Next, workers slowly remove any remaining tissue from the skin. This step must be done by hand because the scales are extremely fragile. Prepared skins enter giant tanning drums filled with special chemicals. This process gives the snake leather durability and prevents cracking. After tanning, the skins are dried and flattened. Mechanical rollers smooth every inch of the snake leather until the surface becomes soft and flexible. To achieve luxury-level color, the snake skins are dyed multiple times. Workers carefully apply pigments to highlight the natural patterns of the scales. Special polishing machines enhance the shine of the scales. Every snake species has a unique pattern, and polishing brings that texture to life. In the cutting department, lasers and steel blades cut the snakeskin into different sections. The patterns must match perfectly for luxury-grade wallets or shoes. Because snake leather is thin, stitching requires extreme skill. Artisans slowly sew each piece to avoid stretching or tearing the delicate material. The cut pieces are assembled to form wallets, belts, bags, and shoes. The combination of exotic patterns and expert craftsmanship creates true luxury items. Premium metal parts like zippers, buttons, and gold-coated corners are attached by hand. These details elevate snake leather products into the luxury category. Every item is inspected for stitching, color, texture, and pattern alignment. Only flawless pieces pass quality control. And this is the final result, a luxury wallet crafted from genuine snake leather, soft, durable, and rich in natural pattern. From raw snakeskin to a refined luxury product, this is the world inside a real snake leather factory.